everybody, welcome back to Beauty Break. It's that time of year. BOOOOO-TY Break.
Yeah, so apparently today we're gonna be following a NikkieTutorials video tutorial on a Halloween look. This is one of her first Halloween looks of this
year. Have you ever followed one of NikkieTutorials tutorials?
No, I don't watch makeup tutorials because I fail so hard that it's a waste of my time.
Sounds like you're in the right place. Let's go. Today we're going to be recreating one of NikkieTutorial's latest tutorials from this Halloween season, the reverse upside down eye makeup tutorial.
Wait, what is that even?
Halloween's right around the corner, so to get in the spirit of freaky makeup, today I'm showing you how to do this flipped eye makeup. I can't even do regular eye makeup, so the concept of flipping anything.
But here's what's so weird about this is usually on this show, we fail really hard, but we're gonna try to do it.
Here's the thing.
That's the goal.
Yes.
The goal isn't failing, the goal is nailing.
But that is actually the goal every time. And have you seen when I was—
Is it?
It is. We tried so hard. The It makeup last year.
Is Lily ever excited to do any episode of Beauty Break? Yes, today
Are you excited? Let me tell you, if you watch that whole video, you know Lily was trying hard the whole time.
It turned out okay. I mean, it was very terrifying, so it worked.
We also did like this weird like smile where it was like your face was cut open. That was, I don't like, it's no. We also, one of our first big hits was the zipper face. This is the dumbest costume ever.
That was a fail.
That was horrible, but you know, a lot of you guys liked it, so we're just here, we are aiming to please. Okay, on the count of three, press play.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I did it too soon, Oh, shh.
Okay,
I
where
went
did
to a
it
different
go?
page.
Is
Oh
that-
no,
where
hold on.
is she?
She's in
Are you in
another
the room?
dimension.
Yeah, wait, what the heck is happening? There's a spirit! What in
Commercial.
the actual F?
Why can't you touch the touch thing? Oh God.
The mouse.
I've turned into my mother.
Okay.
Dear Lord, we haven't even started yet and we need a miracle.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki.
Hi, Nikki.
Hello. Oh my god, I'm so inspired to play with makeup. Oh my god. So a couple of days ago, I was scrolling on Instagram and I came
lips are
across
so delicious.
this insane makeup creation by Nicole Tate. And Nicole created this look where one of her eyes was upside down. And I do want to mention that Nicole was inspired by Trevor J. Barrett.
It's like an inspirational train. Trevor to Nicole, the Nikki to us.
I
Who
wonder
will we
who we're
inspire?
gonna inspire.
Sound guy?
Maybe a whole generation.
Wait, glue.
You have to get rid of your eyebrow. It's like drag queens. Okay, so then everything is so slippery.
Is this
So you
safe
put the glue
for
on? No,
eyebrows,
it's not. Okay, so we've just put the Elmer's glue on one of our eyebrows, and then when you brush it up and you let it dry, like she said.
Okay, I feel like I'm
I'm
glued in.
good. So now you take the
I have
powder.
one too.
This is why no one uses this stuff. Look at what a mess it
I
is.
never use powder. I'd rather be oily. How does she get it so white?
Yours looks pretty good.
We're
killing it.
We suck at this.
No, I think it's good. Because the only purpose of this is to get rid of any of the stickiness so that you can then put foundation on over. I'm assuming.
Foundation.
Taking a while to go.
Set
Set
it,
that
girl.
brow.
Set it.
And then with a brush,
I found this one on the floor.
Oh, neat.
It's Merle Norman.
Merle Norman, I guess I got my ears pierced there once.
but I do recommend using a sponge as opposed to a brush. If you would go in with a brush to apply your—
So I have a feeling we're gonna do this foundation thing.
But of course, before foundation, it's time for primer.
Of
and I'm
course.
gonna—
I have
Very
primer.
nude.
Oh, I don't have it here. Oh well, we're skipping that.
I have primer.
That looks like something else. That just—
Is she making sexual references, Nikki?
Yes, Jocelyn! I don't
Oh, and she has the same foundation. She just showed up this ColourPop one.
Oh, yeah.
I've never used ColourPop foundation.
I love their concealer so much.
Oh,
is she putting it on her eyebrow now, Joss?
Yeah.
Oh, that sound is like ASMR.
All right. So I feel like getting that
Oh,
base
my eyebrows
down
look
is one of the
good.
most
I like
important
this.
parts of this
Hold
look
on,
because—
Nikki. Give us a minute.
Why? Why is their eyebrows not going away?
Does it look good yet?
I just want to. I'm just gonna use concealer.
I'm just gonna go full for it.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
this
no.
is yeah,
Oh,
this
no.
is good.
Oh,
Like
this looks
18?
like cool, but like some other Halloween artist.
You look like you're like a candle that's melting.
Oh, that's neat. I'm Lumia. Okay, this is actually kind of working.
This is a lot better, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Barely visible.
No one else seems to think so. I looked around the room and they all looked scared.
From far away, can you see my eyebrow? No.
Yes.
From far away though. Like,
Yes.
so what I would recommend that Nikkie didn't say in her tutorial is use a whole container of foundation.
Have a good budget for concealer. This is maybe the 7th layer.
All right, so let's see are you ready to move on?
Yeah.
So now it's time to focus on the eyes. And I feel like let's do the most comfortable part first.
Same,
I'm just gonna do this brow, gonna do this eye, gather my thoughts on what kind of look I wanna do. And then the real challenge comes up where we have to do the same, but then upside down. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my
She
natural
goes
brow,
really
just
in on the brow.
So we have the first natural brow done. And
Okay, stop talking, Nikkie. Hold on. Okay. I love you so much. I love you. She does like individual hairs like that. Like, oh, okay. I was like, which eyebrow are you doing? I could tell.
No, that's not a good sign. You're not supposed to see this one.
I can't.
Okay, so the palettes I want to be playing with today are this one by Makeup Revolution, XO. Oh, they teamed up for another palette. This is called the Extra Spice.
Okay.
The first color I want to go in with is this one right here. This
is mulled wine.
Mulled wine. And I'm first just stamping this onto the outside of my
The good eye.
lid.
We're just
to
stamping
get
it.
the pigmentation going.
See, with
but have
blending,
trust.
I don't understand
Okay, as a nice
because you can just blend for eternity. Like,
Yeah.
how do you know when you've reached the blended point?
I don't think you ever do. I think it's like a
people
journey with
do.
God, you know?
Okay, now moving on to the Pat McGrath
we don't have Pat McGrath,
palette,
so we're just
and
gonna
I
have
wanna
to,
go
like-
in with this shade right here. This is total.
It's like a
and utter
shimmery
magic. Ooh, I
color
might even
called
wanna go
Total
in with this,
Magic,
the
so
one
I guess
on
it's
top,
gold.
'cause
I
it's
have
like
gold.
It was out of stock, you guys. The Pat McGrath, so congrats, Pat. Killing it. You're out of stock.
Okay, so we used Infinity instead of the Pat McGrath color because.
And don't forget to put mulled wine under your eye.
Oh, got it.
I'm gonna add a wing.
She's gonna add a
Oh,
wing.
wing,
I'm gonna have to do an upside down wing on the other side.
I'm gonna use the Camila Cabello.
And she is so good at winged eyeliner, but she goes big with it, which I kind of like about her.
Little baby wing that says, "I am here to party, but I'm leaving at 1."
At 1? That's so late. Oh wait, she already
Lashes.
put on her
Lashes.
eyelashes.
We gotta put
so
lashes on.
I'm gonna do a demi wisp.
I'm gonna do this real thick one. Ooh, I like these.
Oh, just got a pair going the wrong way. Perfect.
And I always
use that. Going the wrong way.
No, it's okay. They'll be great. I'm gonna improvise. You know, it's Halloween. It's all about like zigging and zagging. Wow, this looks terrible.
Jocelyn, you did not try. Did you try?
I mean, kind of. I mean, sort of.
Nope. You gotta work on your liner.
All right, that
okay,
looks
great,
a lot better.
Great.
Great. Okay, so let's move on.
Oh, this is horrible. Okay, filling in.
I already drew my banana.
Why? This doesn't show up.
Hold on, Nikkie. This looks good.
Okay, now I would carve out with
She's laughing
concealer.
at us. Wait, no, this is not fair. Look at this. That is freaking witchcraft.
That's witchcraft for sure.
That's witchcraft, Nikkie.
Mine looks pretty good though. You know.
This is not showing up, everyone, right? This is not working for me. I
Okay,
should
maybe
just
I'll
use
do.
the eyeliner.
I'm gonna use some eyeliner because my hair is so dark, anyways. Like whatever.
A few inches later.
Okay, Erin, take a look.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Do you want to use this? This might work better. It's a marker. That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good, Jill?
Yep. Okay, she's carving it out with concealer.
Honestly, not so
Now it's
bad.
time for that beautiful
Not so
Pat
bad.
McGrath lid.
No, it's kind of creepy looking. Okay, now we add.
the infinity.
Okay, so hold on.
The wing. Oh no.
That's on the outside. Hold on.
She went this way, here, and then under there.
How does it look?
They're like, why are
Can
we
you tell which
filming
eye
this?
is upside down and which is it?
I don't understand. Mirrors.
Down.
Wait, what are you doing? Hold
Well,
on.
you-
I don't really think it looks that bad.
Like that?
Yep. Let me see. Perfect. Oh, so now we have to put the eyelash under the bottom lid. People do that, I think, like actually in life.
Oh my god.
It's really good.
It does?
I think it's so.
You just put it on the bottom, you know? That's perfect.
No, other eye.
Other eye.
Oh yeah.
Inverse is not my strong suit, okay?
Over here.
Yeah.
In the inner corner or the outer corner?
Whatever part it's
Upside
supposed to
down,
be.
right?
I am so stressed out, everyone. I just want you to know I don't like this. I want to go home.
And I'm looking at my monitor. I'm freaking out.
Very
Okay, let's just start off.
angry.
You look like something else.
Nailed the lash.
Nailed the lash.
so much anger.
Okay, so we're just blushing. We're doing stuff up here. Oh, here's our lip.
And we're done. And
Wait,
that guy's
hold on. Hold on. That always happens on the show. It's like we're like not even close to done, and they're like, it's over. You look really good.
Jocelyn, you're just saying that so I don't cry.
No. Okay, let's see what Nikkie says. I
in
can
today's
barely look
video.
at her.
So
It looks so
I
good.
hope you enjoyed. If you are recreating this, please tag me on Twitter or on Instagram.
Nikki, consider yourself tagged. How do we look?
She's gonna never acknowledge us.
No, I love Nikki. I think do you know who we are? You guys, let us know
what I'm
how
missing.
amazing we are, how awesome we are. How, like, you could barely tell the difference between us and NikkieTutorials and Nikkie and Trevor and all the people.
That was really they couldn't tell the difference before we started this tutorial.
And, you know, let us know if there's any other makeup looks you'd like us to take on, Halloween or otherwise, because this has been a journey I'd like to go on again.
And also subscribe. Did you say that yet?
No.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please.
We are here every single week with weird stuff like this.
Also, happy Halloween. Bye.
You guys, that was so much fun that we want you to stick around, subscribe to our channel, and watch more.
Yeah, because we've been on a journey today, and honestly, we did it all for you, and there's just so much more for you to relish in.
Such a library
Right
of
over here.
content. Click it.
I love libraries.
Said no one ever.